Good morning. We have Mr. Raghavan here from IIT Madras, Chennai, I guess. And here's the book. He's been working along with some other dudes, Tushar and Ram Nair and so many other guys. So, welcome to Bay Area. And Raghavan has got a lot of things to tell us. So, Raghavan, you're on.
Thanks, Dave. It's you are a very great integrator. Every time I came to US, you organize some get together meeting people. It's so nice, and I guess you are one guy who's really keeping the Yahoo group alive and kicking all the time. Very nice. So I have brought four copies of this book. What we have got, and left it with Dave. So anybody who doesn't have a copy of the book can pick it up from him. I've also given him two videos. One is called Alumni Matter. So this video has been made by the Office of Alumni Affairs, which shows the projects which have been done by the various alumni within the institute. And the other video which I showed just now is called Alumni Care. That display that shows the projects which have been done by the alumni outside the campus, what they call the socially relevant projects. There has been a debate in our own Yahoo group about the batch fund and what we can do with that. So these two videos will give a flavor of what the other batches have been doing, what other alumni have been doing within the institute as well as outside the institute for socially relevant projects. So then we can see how to organize ourselves and what kind of projects we can do on taking a corpus, batch corpus fund forward.
This sounds very good, Raghavan. I understand. To make things clear, we have 1 million bucks already raised, according to DC's email one day, and the idea is to add one more zero, guys. So we want 10 million bucks. That is 10 million rupees, 1 crore rupees. We have 10 lakh rupees already there. Corpus fund, so we can push forward, helping the underprivileged, NVCAL, and all the good stuff. So correct me, Raghavan, if I'm wrong, or you want to add something?
No, the other batches have been also having very ambitious ideas of collecting money. One particular batch, 84 or 85, I guess, has got a target of raising 5 crores. And they already got about 3 crores ready, so they are really on the way to getting 5 crores. So 1 crore is not really a big sum of money for people who have spent 40 years outside the campus. So I'm sure we can do that. And maybe we should target our 65 years reunion, and by the time it could be even 5 crores.
We're going to see Monishi in 10 more minutes, so we have to go dig our deep pockets and, beat everybody. Whatever it takes, 1 crore, 5 crore. We have all the, heavy duty guys all over the world. And Raghavan going to New York now, talk to Raghu Rao and so on, man. Keep it up.
Thanks to Vasu's initiative, hopefully I should be meeting Vasu, Chiku, and Raghurav there in New York. So I will also, pass on a copy of these videos to them, so they also can have a look. And then, we will formulate our concepts and plans of how to form a batch fund and how to take it forward. And once again, thanks a lot to Dave for organizing so many reunions and keeping us together.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dave.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Take care, guys, and come to Bay Area and get the ball moving. Thanks.
That's
Okay,
it. Good.
that's good.
Yeah.
Not bad. Huh?
Not bad.
Okay, let's see if I want to look at it. See. If you want to look at it, I think you have to go here.
That's it. Recorded properly.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to double check. See if it's recorded.
Mm-hmm.
There it is. Okay.
4 minutes and 14 seconds. Good.
4 minutes and 14 seconds.
I think it's still recording. Or you have to stop this here.
Yeah, no, it's
This button.
no,
This button. Put